Gather round, dear friends, as I take you on a whimsical journey through the annals of history to uncover the fascinating origins of an unsung hero in our daily lives. The bath rug. Yes, that soft, cozy mat that cradles your feet after a warm shower has a story to tell, one of ingenuity, comfort, and perhaps a touch of serendipity. Picture this: ancient civilizations, long before the invention of modern plumbing, where bathing was a communal and ceremonial affair. The Egyptians, known for their luxurious lifestyles, would bathe in the Nile or in elaborate bathhouses. But even the mightiest pharaoh had to deal with one universal problem: wet, slippery floors. Enter the primitive predecessor of the bath rug, woven reeds and straw mats that kept feet dry and prevented unfortunate tumbles. Fast forward to ancient Rome, a civilization renowned for its engineering marvels. Roman baths were architectural wonders, and with all that splendor, they needed something to complement their lavish bathing rituals. Wealthy Romans began using animal skins, like sheepskin, to step onto after their baths, merging practicality with opulence. As the centuries rolled on, the concept of the bath rug traveled across continents and cultures, evolving with each society's unique touch. In medieval Europe, where castles had drafty stone floors, stepping onto a cold, hard surface post-bath was an experience no noble desired. Enter woolen rugs, thick and warm, providing a welcome comfort in the chilly climate. Meanwhile, on the other side of the globe, in Japan, the art of weaving took on a minimalist elegance. Tatami mats, traditionally made of rice straw and woven rush grass, served as multi-purpose mats, including post-bath comfort. Their simplicity and functionality were a testament to Japanese craftsmanship and a precursor to the modern bath rug. The Industrial Revolution brought about monumental changes in how we lived, worked, and yes, how we bathed. With the advent of indoor plumbing, private bathrooms became a standard feature in homes. This shift created a new demand for bathroom accessories, and the bath rug, as we know it, began to take shape. Innovative materials like cotton and chenille emerged, offering both absorbency and comfort. Manufacturers saw an opportunity and began producing bath rugs in various shapes, sizes, and colors, turning them into a staple of the modern bathroom. The 20th century saw a boom in bath rug popularity, with designers adding rubber backings to prevent slips and experimenting with synthetic fibers for enhanced durability. Today, the bath rug is more than just a practical accessory. It's a statement of style and a symbol of self-care. From memory foam mats that cushion every step to eco-friendly bamboo rugs that add a touch of nature to your bathroom, the options are endless. Designers continue to push the boundaries, creating bath rugs that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing, complementing the decor and enhancing the overall bathing experience. So, next time you step out of the shower and onto your plush bath rug, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken through history. From the reed mats of ancient Egypt to the luxurious, design-forward rugs of today, the bath rug has come a long way. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our unending quest for comfort. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.